Want to create a cutting-edge AI assistant with GPT-4? The first step is knowing exactly what tools and frameworks you'll need. In this video, we'll break down the essential components you can't build without, from setting up your API keys to selecting the best frameworks. AI Assistant with GPT-4. As technology evolves, AI becomes vital in our lives. GPT-4 is a standout innovation. It's a powerful tool for developing AI assistants. GPT-4 by OpenAI is a cutting-edge language model. It uses deep learning to generate human-like text. It surpasses earlier models in understanding context and nuance. Python is the go-to language for AI development. Its simplicity and libraries make it ideal for AI models. JavaScript is essential for web-based AI assistants. It enables interactive user interfaces with GPT-4. TensorFlow is widely used for AI model development. It helps with data pre-processing and output processing. PyTorch offers an intuitive API for prototyping AI assistants. It's effective for fine-tuning models. Hugging Face transformers simplify using pre-trained models like GPT-4. NLTK and Spacey are top NLP libraries. They provide tools for tokenization and tagging, enhancing data quality for GPT-4. Accessing the OpenAI API is crucial for integrating GPT-4. It allows applications to communicate with the model. Acquiring API keys and understanding usage limits is important. Choosing the right database is critical. SQL databases like PostgreSQL are reliable. NoSQL databases like MongoDB offer flexibility. Cloud storage solutions like AWS S3 provide scalability. Docker packages applications into containers for consistent performance. Kubernetes manages containerized applications, adjusting resources for high traffic. These tools ensure smooth user experiences. Creating a user-friendly interface is crucial. Tools like Figma and Adobe XD help design prototypes. They improve user satisfaction and retention rates. Thorough testing ensures functionality. PyTest for Python and Jest for JavaScript facilitate automated testing. Monitoring tools like Grafana track performance metrics. Building an AI assistant with GPT-4 requires diverse tools. From programming languages to machine learning frameworks, resources support development. Integrating libraries, APIs, and databases is essential. Containerization and monitoring ensure scalability and reliability. Embrace these tools to create advanced AI assistants. Stay informed about innovations to build remarkable AI tailored to users' needs. Now that you've got your tools ready, it's time to take the next big step, giving your AI assistant its very own personality. Whether you want it to be professional, witty, or empathetic, let's dive into how you can design a custom voice that fits your needs. This is where the magic happens. Their voice and tone significantly impact user interaction. Voice and style shape user perception of AI assistants. A well-defined voice conveys qualities like reliability and empathy. Research shows 75% of users prefer a friendly tone. A formal voice is crucial for business-oriented assistants. Understanding your audience is key. Are they busy professionals or casual users? College students may prefer a conversational voice. Corporate clients might respond better to a formal tone. For a budgeting assistant, freelancers may want straightforward advice. 1. Formal versus informal. Choose between casual language or a professional tone. 2. Empathetic versus direct. Decide if warmth or precision is needed. 3. Playful versus serious. Use humor for entertainment or maintain seriousness for health inquiries. 1. The helper. Patient and kind, ideal for guidance. 2. The expert. Authoritative and clear, perfect for advice. 3. The companion. Warm and friendly, great for entertainment. 4. The engager. Upbeat and fun, suitable for gamification. Personalization enhances user satisfaction. Allow users to choose their preferred tone. Use machine learning for dynamic adaptation. Be culturally sensitive to connect with diverse audiences. Implement local dialects and references. Testing and refining are crucial. Conduct user testing sessions to gather feedback. Encourage continuous feedback to adapt the voice. Plan for iterative refinement to keep the assistant relevant. Be consistent and stay relevant. Embrace simplicity and leverage user data. A well-crafted voice fosters engagement and satisfaction. Now that we've designed your AI's personality, let's take it to the next level. In this video, we'll connect your GPT-4 assistant to both voice and text interfaces, so your AI can actually talk to users. Let's make your assistant more interactive and engaging than ever before. Artificial intelligence is transforming our interaction with technology. Voice interfaces like Google Assistant and Alexa offer hands-free communication. Integrating these with GPT-4 enhances user experiences. Voice interfaces let users control devices using voice commands. Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa are popular examples. GPT-4, with its advanced language processing, creates engaging conversations. To connect GPT-4 with voice interfaces, follow these steps. First, choose a voice interface like Google Assistant or Alexa. Create a developer account to access necessary tools. Implement speech recognition using Google Cloud or Amazon services. Connect GPT-4 via API using your preferred programming language. Finally, implement text-to-speech to convert responses back to audio. A web-based chat interface complements voice interaction. Set up a web server using Node.js or Flask. Design the front end with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Handle user input with Ajax or WebSocket. Integrate the GPT-4 API on the server side. Display responses dynamically on the chat interface. Enhance user experience with typing indicators and emojis. Integrating GPT-4 with voice and text interfaces improves user interaction. Follow the guide and use suggested APIs for powerful communication solutions. Enhance engagement with features like typing indicators and persistent chat history. Stay updated on AI advancements to meet user expectations. The possibilities in AI and voice technology are limitless. Let your creativity drive innovation. With careful planning, you can design an interactive application that meets growing user demands. As AI evolves, embrace new tools and strategies. This ensures your application remains effective and engaging. The future of AI and voice technology is bright. Now that your AI can talk, it's time to make it remember and personalize itself to each user. In this video, we'll dive into how to add memory, context, and adaptive learning to your GPT-4 assistant, making it more effective and engaging every time it interacts. In today's fast-paced world, AI plays a pivotal role in communication. Effective interaction with AI assistants enhances user experience. Memory and context are crucial elements in this interaction. To enhance user experience, understanding memory and context is vital. Memory allows AI to remember past interactions. Context involves awareness of situations influencing responses. For example, recalling a user's hobby makes interactions personal. To enhance AI memory, consider these practices. 1. Session-based memory. Retains information during a single session, like planning a birthday party. 2. Persistent storage. Recalls information across sessions, like favorite coffee shops. 3. Granularity. Choose what details to retain, balancing usefulness and privacy. 4. User-controlled memory. Allow users to manage stored information, increasing trust. 5. Contextual information. Integrate ongoing projects for timely assistance. For effective memory retention, use these methods. 1. Data models for retention. Use models designed to remember interactions. 2. Save user interactions. Tailor future suggestions based on feedback. 3. Incorporate user feedback. Regular feedback boosts satisfaction. 4. Contextual signals. Use cues to trigger memory, enhancing flow. 5. Interactive reminders. Develop reminders for tasks discussed previously. Personalization enhances engagement. 1. User preference profiles. Capture interest for tailored responses, increasing satisfaction. 2. Behavioral learning. Learn from interactions to understand preferences. 3. Adjustable settings. Let users control information retention. 4. Regular check-ins. Surveys ensure updated preferences. 5. Dynamic dialogue. Adapt responses based on past interactions. As AI embeds in our lives, memory and personalization are crucial. Balance memory capabilities with privacy. Apply these strategies to elevate AI assistance. Embrace technology's potential and watch user engagement flourish. Now that your assistant is personalized and packed with memory, it's time to get it out there and into the hands of users. Next, we'll walk through deploying your GPT-4 assistant on multiple devices, from PCs to mobiles to smart home systems, and making sure it works everywhere. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our interaction with technology. Deploying a GPT-4 assistant can enhance user experiences significantly. Let's start with deploying on desktop PCs. For Windows, ensure Python 3.7 or newer is installed. Use pip install OpenEyes to get the necessary libraries. Secure your API key as an environment variable. Create a Python script to interact with the OpenAI API. Run your assistant using Python GPT_assistant.py. On macOS, install Homebrew first. Then, use it to install Python. Follow similar steps as Windows for setup and execution. For Linux, update your packages. Install Python and pip. Write and execute your script in the terminal. Now let's integrate with mobile devices. For iOS, use Swift and Xcode to create a simple app. Include Alamofire for networking. Send requests to the OpenAI API. For Android, use Android Studio and Kotlin. Add network dependencies in write single quote build.gradle. Design your UI to collect input and display responses. Both platforms require API key configuration for secure access. Deploying on smart home devices is next. For Amazon Alexa, create a new skill in the developer console. Use intents to define interactions. Develop an AWS Lambda function to process requests. Test your skill before publishing. For Google Home, use actions on Google. Configure intents and entities in Dialogflow. Connect a webhook for fulfillment. Test commands with the simulator before launching. Deploying as a cloud service offers scalability. AWS Lambda provides serverless processing. Pair it with S3 and API Gateway. Google Cloud offers functions and Firebase for rapid deployment. Microsoft Azure has Azure Functions for efficient hosting. Define your business model. Decide on charging for API usage or the assistant itself. Monitor costs to align with your budget. Ensure seamless integration across platforms. Use RESTful APIs for consistent communication. Host core logic on a single backend. This reduces redundancy and simplifies updates. Develop responsive web interfaces for optimal experiences. Conduct thorough testing on all platforms. This ensures a smooth user experience that meets expectations. Deploying a GPT-4 assistant across platforms transforms technology interaction. Each environment offers unique challenges and opportunities. Follow this guide to create a powerful assistant. Enhance productivity and engagement. Dive into AI and unleash your GPT-4 assistant's potential today. Your GPT-4 assistant is ready to go. Now let's turn it into a profitable business. Now, we'll explore the best ways to monetize your AI assistant, from subscription models to enterprise sales, and how to scale it to reach more users. Get ready to build the next big AI product. Artificial intelligence is transforming technology. GPT-4 stands out as a powerful AI language model. It enables developers to create advanced virtual assistants. These assistants engage in conversations and assist users. The demand for AI tools is growing. This offers a lucrative opportunity for monetization. Effectively monetizing a GPT-4 AI assistant can lead to substantial revenue. Subscription services, pay-per-use models, and SaaS offerings are key strategies. A subscription model provides stable revenue. Users pay a recurring fee for ongoing value. Pay-per-use charges based on usage frequency. It suits those needing sporadic access. SaaS combines subscription and pay-per-use benefits. It meets diverse business needs without infrastructure investment. Careful planning is crucial for a subscription model. Define exclusive features for subscribers. Develop a competitive pricing strategy. Offer different subscription tiers. Implement a reliable payment system. Ensure a user-friendly interface for managing subscriptions. Market your service effectively. Use success stories and testimonials. Offer limited-time discounts to spur interest. Scaling your GPT-4 assistant business requires strategic efforts. Leverage partnerships with complementary companies. Invest in marketing campaigns to build brand awareness. Gather user feedback to enhance functionality. Continuously update your assistant with new features. These strategies help maintain user interest and encourage growth. A freemium model can boost your user base. Offer a basic version for free. Charge for premium features. Define basic versus premium features clearly. Engage users with updates and promotions. Monitor user behavior to uncover upgrade patterns. Create compelling calls to action for upgrades. Tailor solutions for businesses and enterprises. Develop custom capabilities to meet specific needs. Implement enterprise licensing for organization-wide use. Provide comprehensive support and training. Tailor marketing strategies for B2B audiences. Showcase potential savings and ROI to attract clients. Choose the right platforms to sell or license your assistant. Publish on app stores or cloud services like AWS and Azure. Consider direct sales to businesses. Utilize online marketplaces for exposure. Collaborate with distributors to expand reach. Diversifying sales channels enhances adoption. Monetizing a GPT-4 AI assistant involves various strategies. From subscription models to enterprise solutions, each method has potential. Implementing these strategies can maximize revenue. Identify your target audience and emphasize value. Maintain an innovative product for long-lasting success.